Hey there everyone! It's me, Vantablack, and today I'm here with a short DIY punk hacks video to impart upon you a little tidbit of wisdom. Have you ever had this problem with studs falling out all the time? This problem? It's annoying as fuck, huh? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a simple-ish solution. 2 words. Fabric glue. This stuff. I'm blurring the label because I don't want to make it seem like I'm endorsing any particular brand. I'm not, in my opinion, just go for whatever the cheapest stuff you can find is. Get it at stores and online, lots of places really. You just plop a pea-sized amount onto the backing of the stud after putting it in. Then you do something else and wait 4 hours for it to dry. Easy peasy, huh? The hardest part is pretty much just obtaining the fabric glue. Or maybe waiting for 4 hours if you're the impatient type. Well, that's all. This was a short one. Remember to like and subscribe if you feel so inclined. Thanks for watching. Have a fun one. Bye.